So starting the test drive in this Elantra N-Line here, not as beefy or strong as the N, but I mean, it's still, I think, as fun to drive. Love having the 1.6, the dual clutch transmission. It's just, it's ready to go. Now you're not getting that, same amount of pull that you would get from the bigger displacement 4-cylinder, but this 1.6 still puts in work. And the dual clutch is still really fun, just feeling the shift points and all that. It's just very enjoyable. And this is the normal drive mode. I haven't even put it in the sport. But I'm gonna put it in the sport now. I'm gonna give it a quick pull getting on the interstate. And I think I'm gonna try the paddles out too. I'm just curious. Here we go. I mean, I wasn't giving it nothing. That was awesome. And then the downshifts too are so snappy. Yeah, that's awesome. Now I want to give a huge thanks to Hyundai of Cool Springs once again for allowing me to review this Elantra N-Line today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. Now we have the lane centering feature here and just regular cruise control, but not really a big deal for something like this in my opinion. I'm gonna want to drive it manually anyway. Now this does have a sports suspension, so I mean it's relatively stiff, but in a good way. Very nimble, very easy to handle in my opinion. And just the overall, the seats, the steering wheel, just everything feels like it should with, a vehicle that has the N-Line badging on it. Now, in terms of what you get for the money, I think this is it's really a steal for a car that's this fun to drive, this sport oriented. It's just, it's freaking awesome. The power you get, the overall driving experience, it checks off all the boxes for me. Now you get wired CarPlay, but they make devices for that where you can turn it wireless. You don't have a heated steering wheel, but you have heated seats. Again, for the money, I would take this all day because I just think it's a solid car for the money with all that you get here, but most specifically the driving experience. The driving experience is top tier. I have no complaints about this car. If you're looking at something in this market, you want to compare it with a Volkswagen, something like that, I mean, you won't be disappointed with this. And all that. And I mean, just the overall, again, the experience is phenomenal. Love how it drives. Love that it's still efficient. You're still getting 28 city, 35 highway with this car. And if you want to really give it a pull, it's exhilarating. Now, it's not an N, but you're not paying for an N. You're not getting the fuel economy of an N. You're getting just a solid commuter car that's extremely fun to drive. And with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2026 Hyundai Elantra N-Line.